The Baumfolder 714 XLTE is an air-fed tabletop folder that combines all the rugged reliability of the larger floor model in a compact, convenient size. This folder can be a standalone unit capable of letter folds, fan folds, double parallel folds, single folds, or can be operated in line with the 714 8-page tabletop folder, commonly called the right angle. The 714 XLT can handle maximum sheet sizes of 14 inches by 20 inches and a minimum sheet size of 3 by 5 inches. The minimum fold size is 2 1/4 inches. This unit is a great resource in a commercial and digital print shop to offload smaller quantity runs versus the operator having to set up a floor model folder. It can also be used in churches for newsletters and bulletins, e-commerce for invoices, packing slips, advertisements, etc.